We are back at it again here with another video to invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock. Vinco Ventures Inc. had an explosive move today after dipping, and it was not the only stock that was pushing up higher. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 11:15 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, call options went up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving the clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock pushing up higher. What an explosive move. And you're definitely going to want to stick around for today's video because we have some key levels to go ahead and talk about. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here we are with the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was SQZ. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, and towards the bell, it found a reversal point, got that strength on 42 vision, got that bull indicator as well, and went up for a highest point of 30% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, what an explosive move. And we're going to break things down on the 4-hour and the 30-minute as well as on the 1 day. But I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that edge and clarity over the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock pushing up higher, an explosive move, and currently under a bull indicator. I mean, that was a really volatile shift there. And even between yesterday's bull indicator to this bear indicator, very volatile shift, a lot of movement going on in this whole entire back and forth. But right now we are under a bull indicator. The main thing is what's going to happen on the bigger picture if this continues and how much strength is really behind this. That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So when we pull up the 4-hour here, you could see that things are trying to shift back up, but still under this bear indicator since way up here at $3.04. Things have been volatile back and forth, but every single time we've hit white with red borders, there tends to be a point of a possible reversal. Same thing here, same thing here. And we've talked about it time after time after time that if no bull indicator pops up in these moves on the 4-hour, this bear indicator will continue to dominate over the chart as it has been since the beginning of April. Now, the stock is trying to come back up, and from the lows to the highs of today, it nearly went up 10% plus. Now, the stock is still under a red bar, but it has a green border. The next shift would be for this to continue in the uptrend, right? And these wicks to the upside and those bars to the upside. Excuse my terrible drawing. It's just so you guys can visualize it. And for it to shift into this same process here, right? From red with green borders to dark green. And in the process of it happening, cancel out this bear indicator and get a bull indicator. That would signify possible further strength. Right now, every single time the stock has moved back up, based off the 4-hour, it has actually had trouble coming back up with a bull indicator, right? And it goes ahead and rejects at some point and goes down even lower and goes down even lower. And the question mark is, how much momentum is this really going to have? That's why we need to look at the 1 day and the 30-minute and put it all together. So on the 1 day here, we are still under the bear indicator that just recently popped up on April 21st. But this is the first red bar with green borders that we have pop up. If this could continue and this could cancel out this bear indicator and get a bull indicator in the process and shift into dark green bars, that's going to signify a possible continuation of strength. So we need to watch that very carefully. First shift into red with green borders. Same thing going on here on the 4-hour, even though they're both under bear indicators. And on the 30-minute, we just got a bull indicator within the volatility. And if we put the 5-minute here, you could see that it actually popped up since way up here at $2.25. Now, within the volatility, a bear indicator just popped up. This could continue further, or if it doesn't break through supports, that could just be a pullback and a setup for the next bull run. So definitely important to watch that within those levels. The 15-minute, no bear indicator, and on the 30-minute, it is still looking strong here with the bright green bars. So let's talk about resistance and support. The first thing is support. Down here is the lowest point of the day, 221. The lowest point in the last several days is 219. I would just round that up and down to 220. That is the key support level here for the bulls to have some strength. If it gets broken through, this could go further down into further lows and possibly retest the 52-week low and even $2. So it's something important to keep in mind. And the bulls have done a phenomenal job here every time it's touched it to bounce off of it and show strength. And it's touched it nearly almost 4 times. So now to the upside, we need to watch this because it's at a very pivotal point here at 240s because it needed a breakthrough that. It's rejecting it right now and fighting in that area. And above that, the highest point of the day was 243. Now, we want to see this get back above 245. And above that would be up here at 264, 65, give or take, and the 270 range. Those are the key levels right now. And then 277 to the upside. And now the reason why I'm talking about these levels in a very tight space is because once it gets up here, it has many different resistance levels to create a rejection. But if it can break through all of those and get above it back up towards $3, that is going to be a point where we need to watch this very carefully. Look for that support. And if the bulls can continue to push up higher, there could be some shorts that have been shorting this stock as it's been going lower in the last several days and weeks that could get squeezed out of their position and possibly create a short squeeze effect if they get pushed out. But until then, we're down here in the 240s, 230s. We need to get upwards to the 245 mark, 260s, 270s, and then 277 and towards $3. Then we can start talking about that. But right now, these are the main points to watch going into tomorrow and even next week, right? The start of next week, because we need to reanalyze things as this continues to play out and where we stand going into Monday. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters. and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make